everyone, this is Andreas, and today I'm here to tell you 5 things you should know about the new iPhones from Apple. This year, Apple decided to release 3 new phones: the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone XR. These phones come in different sizes, XS being the smaller one, followed by the iPhone XR and the iPhone XS Max. iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max feature similar specs, the only difference being the size of the display, the size of the battery, and of course the price. iPhone XR will be the new budget phone for Apple, coming with lower specs than the other two phones. The most noticeable differences is the single camera setup instead of dual cameras, the LCD screen instead of OLED, the lower storage capacity, and the lower screen resolution. iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max have a price difference of $100 between them, starting from $1,000 for the iPhone XS 64GB version and reaching the $1,450 for the iPhone XS Max 500GB version. iPhone XR will start at $750. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Have a great day.